Hi guys, so for this video I'll be using yarn in 3 different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. I have already finished one square, so I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 4. So now that I've chained 4, on the last chain from the hook I'll make 2 double crochet. Well, we kind of need 3 double crochet, but that 3 chain in the beginning of row counts as 1 double crochet. So now we have 3 double crochets in total, and then I'll chain 3. Then through that same chain, I'll make 3 double crochet. Again, I'll chain 3. Then through that same chain, I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. And now to finish row 1 I'll chain 3, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. I'm just gonna weave these ends in for row 1 so I don't have too much clutter. You can use a yarn needle, but a smaller crochet hook will work just as well. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. So right here through this first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. Now we need to make 3 double crochet clusters, but since we are in the beginning of row we have to improvise, so this 3 chain will count as 1. So, and then through his next 2 chains I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. See? Now I'll chain 4. Now through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4. Through his next 3 double crochets I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Again I'll chain 4. Through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4. Through his next 3 double crochets I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 4. Through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4. Through his next 3 double crochets I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 4. Through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 4. Then right here through his next double crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Again I will weave these ends in. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in a third color. So now right here through this first double crochet cluster chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Again through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through these next 4 single crochets, through these next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. And now right here through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the same chain we started the row in the beginning, and I'll chain 3, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. I generally don't like to make these small motifs. I mean, I don't mind making 1 or 2, but not to make a lot of them. It's just so many ends that have to be weaved in, and I don't like it to make them just for that reason, because it's so time consuming. But for 1 or 2 I'm good. Now I'm gonna weave these ends in again, but the thing is I'm thinking I should make something with this particular motif, but I don't know, maybe something less than 20 squares. So here, because when I was younger, they didn't bother me. I could make so many of them. but back then I didn't use many colors. It was basically one color. I used to make those table covers with a very thin thread. I don't have patience for that anymore. I'm too old. We have one more row, guys. Now I'll be using yarn in color B, which is sort of a gray yarn, but a very light shade. So let's go here at the start. Right here we made this first double crochet. I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. And then I'll chain one, then right there through that same chain I'll make one single crochet. And this is row 4. Now let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now through these next 10 chains, I'll make one single crochet through each chain. Through this 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. Let's see again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Through these next 11 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Again, through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. Chain 1, and through the same 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. Again, through these next 11 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. And now, through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 single crochet. So guys, we repeat this throughout row 4. But now it's time for me to join these squares. Oh no! Oh no! What did I do? What did I do? No. Look guys, look, look, look. I made a mistake. No, 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 no. Oh no. No, I have to start this row all over again so it can be green. But I'm gonna do that off the camera. I hate when this happens. We survived, we're good. So you see here, right here through this 3 chain loop, I made 2 single crochets. I'm gonna join my work. So right here, through this first square, right there through that 1 chain loop, first corner, let's find that 1 chain loop right here. So we insert our hook right there through that 1 chain loop, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop of our current work and pull through. And now I'll chain 1. Now through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this next single crochet of our first square, I insert my hook, then I insert the hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again, through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Then again, through that first square, right there through the next single crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now, through this next double crochet chain of our current work, I'll make 1 single crochet. Let's see how this looks. Again, through this next single crochet of our first square, I insert the hook, then I insert the hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. through this next double crochet chain of our current work, I will make 1 single crochet, then I insert the hook right here to this next chain of our first square, then I insert the hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I insert my crochet hook right here through this next chain of our first square, then I insert the hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I insert the hook right here through this next chain of my first square. I insert the hook through a slip knot loop of my current work and pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I insert the hook through this single crochet of my first square, then I insert the hook through this loop of my current work and pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I insert the hook through this next single crochet chain of my first square, then I insert the hook through this loop of my current work and pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I insert a hook through this next single crochet of my first square, then I insert the hook through this loop of my current work and pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I insert a hook through this single crochet of my first square, then I insert a hook through this loop of my current work and pull through. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I insert a hook right here through this single crochet of my first square, then I insert a hook through this loop of my current work, pull through. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I insert a hook through this next single crochet of my first square, then I insert a crochet hook through this current loop of my current work, or through the loop of my current work, then through this last double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. And then right here through this next single crochet of my first square, I insert a hook, then I insert a hook through this loop of my current work and pull through. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, through this next single crochet of my first square, I insert a hook, then I insert a hook through this loop of my current work, pull through. Through this next, through that same 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet of my first square, insert a hook, and I insert a hook through this loop of my current work, pull through. And guys, now I will see right here we have this 1 chain loop of our first square, insert a hook, then I insert a hook through a slip knot loop of my current work, chain 1, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet. And we're almost done. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, and then we'll cut this yarn so you have a knot right there. And then we'll weave these ends in. Oh my goodness, I like how it looks. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh wow. I really love how it turned out. Look. The joining part. Unbelievable. It's beautiful. Well, it seems like it's 4.5 inches.